Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious, tasty, and easy, kid-friendly black bean taco. Let's get to it. Getting kids cooking can be kind of challenging, especially if you're worried about them using knives or, the stove or anything like that. So this is a really easy way to kind of introduce them to cooking that's healthy, fun, and tasty. It's a good Taco Tuesday recipe. So we're gonna make these black bean tacos, but we're actually gonna use veggie burgers. So instead of actually cooking anything, really cooking anything, we're just gonna cook up and warm up some veggie burgers in the toaster. So this is one of my favorite things to do. I do this all the time. I have veggie burgers on hand for a quick healthy snack if I'm hungry, or a really easy dinner. Just add in the veggie burgers to the toaster. Go ahead and toast those up. You probably have to toast them a couple times, especially if they're frozen, just to really thoroughly heat them up and get them nice and crispy. So add them to the toaster, let them cook for, once or twice, depending on how frozen they are. Go ahead and take those out. So after the veggie burgers have cooked in the toaster, you can either break them in half or you can have them cut them in half, depending on how skilled the kids are with using a knife. But just go ahead and slice them in half, just like that. Okay, so here's the magical part. After you cut them in half, the veggie burgers just fit like right in there nicely. Same shape as the taco, right? How cool is that? Super easy to make. Just plop them all in there, just like that. And then you just top it off with your favorite taco toppings. Get a little bit of lettuce. Just get all the ingredients on there. Add in some shredded cheese. Of course, you need some salsa. And then just a little bit of sour cream. There you go. Super easy to make. Black bean, plant-based tacos. Wonderful for Taco Tuesday. Easy for kids to make. A good, delicious meal that you can kind of use to help teach them how to cook or get them to start cooking. Let me know what you think. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If there's something that you want to see, just drop a comment down below. And if you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week. So hey, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.